Ethereum in a real sense is a highest-level mineable coin, with the ticker ETH, that explicitly has an exceptionally present worth of $1,793.74 and a market capitalization of $215,710,223,207 in an essentially significant manner. Digital currencies essentially have extremely lengthy past, the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. These days, it's a resource class that fundamentally is significantly controlled and, surprisingly, embraced as legitimate, delicate, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Some truly huge speculation banks even really procure Ethereum and by and large other cryptographic forms of money all at once to safeguard their resources under administration against the running expansion that handicaps the customary monetary business sectors in opposition to prevalent thinking. Presently, now is the right time to by and large uncover our short, mid, and especially long-haul forecast of the advancements on the ETH market that for the most part depend on the readings of our exceptional crypto unpredictability record that truly assists us with measuring the market feeling and expect where in which the market plans to go. At this point, the cost of Ethereum generally is $1,793.74. While the coin as of now fundamentally ends up at second spot in the kind of by and large positioning, which explicitly is very critical. The said truly positioning for the most part is assessed based on the resource's truly present value, that by and large is increased by its ongoing business sector capitalization, an equation that essentially is applied all through every single monetary market, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients basically get the most significant information in regards to the exhibition of computerized assets in their portfolios in an unobtrusive way. It's likewise vital to for the most part consider the verifiable information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its bearing, which by and large is very huge. On October 26, the cost of Ethereum was at $1,787.16 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change in every practical sense added up to 0.29% in a very significant manner. 7 days prior, on October 20, ETH explicitly was esteemed at $1,567.55, and that really intends that from that point forward, the cost has basically varied by 0%. A month prior, on September 27, the market member laid out the cost of Ethereum at $1,593.43. Subsequently, the coin has taken a 12.57% action to arrive at its especially present standings in a really significant manner, especially. Notwithstanding, as currently made sense of, the cost of Ethereum isn't a main essentially factor that we consider while making the cost forecast in an unobtrusive manner. It means a lot to keep a very sharp eye on changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey, to especially have a truly clear perspective on where the market fundamentally is going. The examination of market capitalization in a real sense conveys certainly equivalent significance in both cryptographic money and conventional business sectors, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology is utilized to decide the generally speaking position and prevalence of computerized resources and stocks, for example, in an unpretentious way basically. Changes in market capitalization certainly sure or most certainly negative basically are additionally demonstrative of the manner by which the said market could generally be going, as well as the resources especially potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both sort of short and kind of long-haul viewpoints. This really specific sort of measurement certainly is additionally used to check the strength of Ethereum, according to the remainder of the digital currency market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future presentation, in opposition to mainstream thinking. To for the most part decide the exceptionally current market capitalization of ETH, we basically duplicate the coursing supply, the boundary that will for the most part be generally made sense of later by the fundamentally present worth of the cryptographic money under survey incredibly. Starting today, the market capitalization of Ethereum truly remains at $215,710,223,207, which shapes the reason for its present in every practical sense, positioning that really was referenced before in a significant manner. Yesterday, on October 26, ETH fundamentally had a market capitalization of $214,929,147,215 versus the basically thought. Keep going week, on October 20, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to in every practical sense was recorded at $188,519,419,957. A month prior, on September 27, the market worth of Ethereum by and large was evaluated to generally be $191,580 win $444,577, which really is genuinely critical. All-out supply considers the quantity of coins that sort of have previously been created by different means, for example, through mining in a very significant way. These digital currencies can be utilized either for pretty dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with caretakers in an unpretentious manner. This especially metric likewise considers the coins that sort of have been eliminated through the interaction called consuming, which in a real sense is applied to control the expansion rate, which for the most part is very huge. At this point, in every practical sense, all-out supply of Ethereum especially is laid out at 120,257,379 ETH in a sort of significant manner. In conclusion, the coursing supply sort of is utilized to really compute the market capitalization and generally survey the coins extremely current remaining in the positions, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. It means the general measure of ETH that is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that really are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly essentially put unavailable for general use out of the blue, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. It's by and large basically accepted that digital currencies that explicitly have a circling supply between 60 million and 150 million, especially are the most reasonable for certainly long-haul venture, since they generally are probably going to especially see the value in esteem over a lengthy timeframe, potentially many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate in an unpretentious manner. At this point, Ethereum has a coursing supply of 120,257,379 coins in an unobtrusive manner. Over the especially beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with ETH arrived at the mark of $10,848,515,073, which is genuinely huge. Yesterday, on October 26, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame sort of remained at $9,439,343,072, which really is genuinely critical. 7 days prior, on October 20, how much ETH that was traded between market members essentially was assessed at $5,030,369,003 in a by and large enormous manner. Presently certainly comes an opportunity to especially make sense of exhaustively the embodiment of the crypto instability record, CVIX, since it's a focal point of our cost expectation model that permits us to by and large predict the way that Ethereum will especially follow over the in every practical sense next 1 to 5 years, which for the most part is genuinely huge. CVIX by and large is the consequence of the fastidious work of our group of market specialists and programming designers that surfaced with an extraordinary equation for checking and imagining the normal market unpredictability and enhanced it with the imaginative for the most part profound learning calculation that filters through a variety of verifiable market information to in every practical sense convey the best Ethereum cost expectation.